transformative journey. A journey that unfolded at Studyz Academy. A journey that took an unexpected turn towards a passion I never knew existed before. My fascinating with design led me to a life-changing discovery on Instagram, where a web designing course with an unbelievably low price. And it caught my eye. Curiosity prompted me to reach out through WhatsApp. The lectures were not just informative, they surpassed my expectations. The lectures were guided by an exceptional instructor called Mr. Imtiaz. The clarity and the helpfulness of the lessons were more than just a means of acquiring web designing skills. They became a stepping stone towards a roadmap for my career. The guidance provided were more I could ask for. Yet, this web designing course was not merely about creating websites. It actually became a beacon illuminating career path. Seriously, at a place when I was lost and uncertain about my future, this course became my guide, opening doors to success I never thought possible. Our lecturer, Imtiaz Sir, is truly exceptional. His teaching style is clear and enthusiastic, also remarkably effective in breaking down complex concepts into digestible bits, making every class an enjoyable experience. He not only taught us about web designing, but instilled in us a sense of discipline and a love for learning. Imtiaz Sir is not just an educator, he is my motivator and a light version of my inspiration. Beyond its technical aspects, he taught me invaluable life lessons like punctuality, hard working, and manners. Studyz Academy is not just an institution, it's a mindset, a way of life that has made me unstoppable in pursuing my goal. My 2 month journey reflects on the beautiful experience and the excitement I felt on the class days. Even when Sir extends the class beyond 5 hours, I remain engaged and inspired by his remarkable teaching. He is a Sir who is ready to help even outside the class. A big shout out to Imtiaz Sir for making this journey awesome. Thank you, Sir. My gratitude knows no bounds. Yet mere words feel insufficient to capture the depth of my appreciation. For your extraordinary contributions, your generosity and support leave me truly speechless. Studyz Academy, our educational heaven, provided not only academic support, but also a helpline team led by the ever-helpful Ms.Samha. Her quick responses and assistance in clearing doubts played a crucial role in my learning journey. Ms. Alia's reminders ensured I never missed a class, showing the Academy's commitment to our success. Studyz Academy not only imparted knowledge on web designing, but also offered enriching extracurricular. The career guidance provided was a game changer, offering valuable advice that will undoubtedly shape my professional path. In outcome, nothing was in vain. All I got was benefits. I am proud to be a student of Studyz. Studyz Academy has been a valuable addition, paving the way for a bright professional future. As I conclude my journey with a heartfelt gratitude, I extend my sincere thanks to the helpline team, lecturers, coordinators, my fellow batchers, and my friendly legends in my batch. Special commendations goes to Imtiaz Sir, whose praiseworthy character and mentorship have left an indelible mark on my life. And I wholeheartedly recommend this academy to anyone seeking a good knowledge and a worthwhile educational experience. So here's a big shout out to everyone. Imtiaz Sir, Ms. Zara, the helpline team, and my awesome batchmates. Studyz Academy, you are a game changer. I'm not just saying it, I mean it. If you think about diving into web designing or something similar, here, this is the spot. Thanks for the ride, Studyz. It's been a blast.